Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing and reviewing the Airtel 4G Pocket Wi-Fi Lite. If you're looking for a portable Wi-Fi solution, this might be the perfect device for you. Let's get started. So as you can see, it's a pretty simple box. It has Airtel Internet 4G Pocket Wi-Fi Lite, and on the right it has basically nothing apart from 4G Lite. At the back, it shows you what it has, the manufacturers, and the rest. Then on the left side, still the same 4G Wi-Fi with a strong battery, blah blah blah. Yeah, and my serial numbers and the rest. So let's get right into it. So when you open sorry, I got it out. This is the pocket Wi-Fi, as you can see. Airtel Internet pocket Wi-Fi. Here it has a USB Type B, our reset button, you can see it. Then our SIM card, well, we put our SIM card right here. Then on the top, we do have a WPS button to connect, plus a power button. So we shall get back to that in a minute. And we get our block charger, as you can see, ZTE. Yeah. Then we do get what else? We do get a quick start guide talking about everything that's inside here. Yeah. Then we get our SIM card injection tool for the down here where it goes. Yeah. And then we do get our power cable right here. So yeah, basically that's all that comes. That's also forgot to tell you, it comes with a SIM card that works inside it. So yeah, basically this is all that comes inside it. A USB Type B cable that's will be helped to charge it because it has a battery inside it, so it shall be charged. Cable, SIM card, plus an injection tool. So when you pop it out, you get, I think, a micro SD card. Yeah, which is inside here. It's already inside, as you can see. So yeah, it's the one that has it's the one that helps you have data and use it. So it came already pre-installed inside it. So yeah, let's put it back. So as you can see, first impressions, it's compact and lightweight, so it will be easy to enter into your pocket anywhere you go. So it's compact and lightweight, which is great for portability. The design is sleek and minimalistic. Let's power it up and see how it performs. So we are going to press this button and then wait for it to go on. As you can see, it's now going on. So we shall be back when it's on completely. So we're back. As you can see, it's now on. It says it has the battery on. The Wi-Fi is transmitting very well to my other devices such as my laptop, my phone, which I'm using right now. I won't be able to show you the speeds at the moment. It says message, so I might be having a message on and warning data, and this also shows you that it's getting signals from the service providers. That's it. So I've connected the MiFi to my laptop, but don't think I'll be showing you the speeds on the. If you need to see more, I'll show you my speeds on my Instagram page if you want to see them. So yeah. as you can see, it's compact, which means it comes with a nice battery. It's a small battery, but it can last you a day or even so, like 2 days or 3 days. But mostly it will be 2 days because I've been using it for months, and I've been using it for mostly 1 day. Yeah, from morning to until I go to sleep. It's already on. Yeah. So this is the Airtel 4G Pocket Wi-Fi Lite. So let me know, is it worth it? Yes or no? If you need a portable Wi-Fi solution and you're an Airtel subscriber, this is a great option. It's compact, easy to use, and offers decent performance. However, the battery life could be better for heavy users. So if you're a heavy user, so this would be good for you. Yeah. However, that's the end of the video, I think. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you next time.